Hello, my name is Mason Ledbetter. I currently live in Fort Collins, Colorado as a part-time student at Front Range Community College. I have hopes and aspirations to get a bachelor's degree in business management, and I'm nearly done with my associates while maintaining a current 3.9 GPA average. I am also a part-time warehouse associate and counter salesman at Consolidated Electrical Distributors. This means that I have both the required certifications to use the heavy equipment around the warehouse and also have the required knowledge to assist private contractors in getting the parts they need ordered and gathered up. I hope to transfer to Colorado State University within the next year to complete my degree by the end of 2025, while still maintaining my objective of supporting myself and learning sales strategies at my current place of employment. I hope this helped give you a little insight into what my goals and aspirations are for the coming few years, and hope you enjoyed listening to them. Thank you.